we came to Büyük Hasbahçe to show you a beautiful apartment here in this beautiful 4-block residential complex. So if you're ready, let's get started.
Beneath my feet, sat by the river and it made me complete. Oh, simple thing, where have you gone?
Social activities here include an outdoor swimming pool, fitness sauna, jacuzzi, steam room, barbecue area, playing area for kids, and of course many more.
Let me in. I'm getting tired and I need somewhere to begin. I came across a fallen tree. I felt the branches of it looking at me. Is this the place we used to love? Is this the place that I've been dreaming of? Oh, simple thing.
Currently we are in a 2+1 duplex apartment and it has a total area of 120 meters square. It's also suitable for residency permit. It's fully furnished. It consists of 2 bedrooms, a living room, an American style kitchen and 2 bathrooms.
And I need somewhere to begin. And if you have a minute, why don't we go talk about it somewhere only we know? This could be the end of everything. So why don't we go somewhere only we know? Somewhere only we know. Oh, simple thing, where have you gone? I'm getting old and I need something to rely on. So tell me when you're gonna let me in. I'm getting tired and I need somewhere to begin. And if you have
In this project we've got around 12 duplex apartments left for sale and they are suitable for citizenship and residency permit. So for more information, don't hesitate to contact us. Wish you have a nice day.
somewhere only we